Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lulu. Today we'll install a 15mm wheel spacer for the Tesla Model X. Is it safe to run this with spacers? As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience. Breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency and reduce the risk of driving safety. The matching wheel studs on the wheel spacers are made of forged SAM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structure stability, fewer harmful elements, and fewer surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The matching lug nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10.
When shopping for wheel spacers, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the Tesla Model X wheel spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is less chance of vibration or wobbling.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about this wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.